In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Trello support. Navigating the support options for Trello might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, let's start by visiting Trello's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in trello.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, look towards the upper right corner and you'll see a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on that. Now you have several options for logging in. You can choose to log in using Google, Microsoft, Apple or Slack. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can simply use your email address. Choose the option that's most convenient for you and proceed to log into your Trello account. After successfully logging in, you might be thinking, how do I reach support if I face any issues? Well, Trello offers a few avenues for support that you might find helpful. The most straightforward path is to utilize Trello's Help Center. This is the primary resource for finding answers to common questions and troubleshooting any issues you might be encountering. To access it, you can either search online for Trello's Help Center or navigate through Trello's website to find the support section. They cover a wide range of topics and common issues you might encounter, making it a great first stop. If you prefer a more community-based approach, consider exploring the Trello Community Forum. This is a space where you can connect with other Trello users, ask questions, and participate in discussions. It's a great way to gain insights from other users who may have faced similar challenges and can offer solutions or advice. Now, you might be wondering if there's a direct way to reach Trello support for more specific or complex issues. It's important to note that Trello doesn't currently offer a direct support email or live chat option. This means you will be relying more on the Help Center and the Community Forum for assistance. Another useful resource is Atlassian's Help Center, the overarching support platform for all Atlassian products, including Trello. This resource can be incredibly helpful for finding answers to more technical questions or issues that might span across multiple Atlassian tools. Lastly, for any updates or information about the status of Trello services, there is a dedicated page on their website that provides this information. It's useful to check here if you're experiencing any service-related issues, as it could be a known and temporary problem. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of how to contact and seek support from Trello. By utilizing the resources available like the Help Center and Community Forum, you'll be well equipped to tackle any challenges you face while using Trello. Thanks for watching and happy Trelloing.